Let's go home. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's do this. Welcome back one more time. My name is Rosendo with Cutlass Vibes. And today I'm going to talk to you about the setup of my car, my Cutlass. I have an 83 Cutlass Supreme. I'm going to tell you about the setup I have, and I've had a lot of questions on the RPMs and what it does on the highway. So I'll talk to you about the setup first, and then we'll go on the highway and see what it does. That way everybody gets an answer that's been asking questions. First of all, let's do a cold start on it since it's in the shop. Hasn't been messed with in a few days. So let's see how it does. It always starts good. Watch it not start this time, but there it is. So, here we go. I don't know if you can see that. Just gonna get it out of here, out in the sun, so I can tell you about the setup, and we'll get it out of this shop. There we go. Might turn it off so we can hear what I'm telling you. Just a quick run through on what I'm running, and so we can see what RPMs it does. All right, so on my Cutlass, I'm running a 9-inch. Have a 9-inch that we got from Quick Performance. So gear wise on the differential, went with 370 gears. So that's what I'm running right now. So 370 gears, have 18-inch wheels, and the tires I'm running, it's 285, 35 18s on the back, which in diameter, it's approximately about 25.85 inches. So the diameter of this. 370 gears. This is the setup on the wheel. And also running a Mad Dog transmission. They're out of Georgia. I've had great luck with them guys. They build a good product. I bought this one for this car. I've had it 6 years, 0 issues, and it's strong, runs good. I got a level 2, holds up to 500 horsepower. So it's built stouter. It has a shift kit also. I didn't go with the level 1. Level 1 is where they shift real smooth, almost like a stock car. I went with the level 2, so it shifts a little firm, but not crazy. Level 3 is the one that just shifts and you can feel the hit, like pretty rough. I didn't want that, so we went to level 2. So that's my setup that I have, from transmission to the gears to the tire. I always get questions, what RPMs is it running at 75 or at 65 or whatever. So we're gonna get on the highway here in a little bit, and I'll just record it at 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, because 75 is the speed limit mostly here in Texas where I'm from. So I'll let everybody check it out, see what it does on the highway. Well, while we get to the highway where we're gonna run, last weekend I was in Lubbock, Texas, and I had a viewer say hello to me. I didn't recognize his face. I didn't know who he was, but he said, "I'll watch your videos." I thought that was pretty cool. Then we had a good conversation. He showed me some pictures of his 68. He has a 68 truck. Nice. That him and his wife have put together, and man, it's looking good. Hopefully we can get that truck on our channel sometime soon, whenever he's ready. His name is Richard Perez. So shout out to Richard. I appreciate you going out there and saying hello to me. I like to meet my viewers. That's pretty neat. I like that kind of connection there, and see in person who these people are that watch my videos and comment and that kind of thing. That's pretty amazing. So here we go. So this is a little highway. If it's a little loud, I got my AC on. So I also want you to see the shifting. I'll roll down the window a little bit. The shifting, it's a level 2 shift kit. See, you can feel it. It shifts a little solid. but it's not too crazy like a level 3. So see, we're on gear 4, and then that's right there's the lockup. So you try to get on the straightaway. There's a curve right here, but that's how the shifting sounds. I like it. It's not crazy, not too much shifting. All right, so I'll get to the straightaway, and I'll let you see the RPMs at 55 miles an hour. So slow down a bit. So here we go. 55. We're at about 1850, give or take. That's at 55. So 1850 RPMs. 60. Let me see, we're getting to 60 right there. 60 is about 2,000. Right at around 2,000. All right. We'll bring it up to 65. So at 65, we're running about 2,100 and about 2,160-ish at 65. We'll bring it up to 70. $69, 70. So at 70, we're running at 2350, give or take. 2350. All right, let me bring it up to 75. All right, at 75, we're about 25, right around 2,500, give or take just a bit. So around 2,500 RPMs at 75. So I've had a lot of questions on the RPMs, so I thought I'd do 55 and up, since most speed limits you're gonna drive in Texas, lowest is probably a 55, a highway, 60, 65 up, and that's what it runs, you know. Not bad, it runs good. I like the shifting, I like it. Mad Dog Transmissions, I'm not sponsored by any of them, but I do like their products, and we ordered a second transmission for the 69 Purple Passion on the channel, installed it. It's been running good. Also from Mad Dog, I told them I just ordered one from them. I know this one's been great, and so far that one's done good as well. Now for an LS1, I've looked it up, and I know that LS1s run happy when they're running at high RPM, so that should be a good RPM for mine. Now sometimes I think, since I do drive it a lot on the highway, I should have gone with a different gear. Maybe not a 370, maybe in the 40s, or maybe even a little less. That way, just got better gas mileage, less RPMs. But this has ran good. It runs well. You get on it, it runs good. Just wanted to show everybody, you know, how the RPMs. I've had questions and thought, well, I'll make a video and just show you. That way you know the setup first, because of course, the tire size makes a difference. The diameter, your gears in your differential, your rear end, that also makes a big difference on RPM. So all right, I'm about to turn back and head back. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all the support all the time. I really do enjoy making these videos. When I get questions, I try to respond to everything that I do know. If I don't know, I got some buddies that might know, and I try to get you the answer. And I appreciate all the views, the subscribers, people who watch the videos, people that reach out to you in public and say, hey, I watch your videos. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. So I'm about to turn back and head back to town. appreciate everyone. Let me get here and turn around right quick. We're in the middle of nowhere. In the Sandhills, this is called the Sandhills here in Texas. Sandhills, there's deer here. There's some wild hogs. While I'm turning around here, getting ready to head back home, got my shirt on, my Cutlass Vibe shirt. I like it. Appreciate every single one of y'all for watching. Thank you so much for the support. I'll keep making some videos, answering some questions. And let's get to it. Let's go home. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's do this.